Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker. Today I want to talk about a series of premium travel trailers you are sure to enjoy, the Keystone Outback. Outbacks are good-sized laminate travel trailers coming in 8 floor plans. As far as length, they stretch the tape just under 35 feet all the way up to 39 feet. As for weight, their unloaded weight tips the scale from 7,900 pounds up to nearly 8,900 pounds. Of the 8 Keystone Outback floor plans, half of them are rear living models of some variety. First though, one word that makes Keystone Outback special: pets. The Keystone Outback line takes an extra step for you to take your pets. Every bed, king or queen, sports a built-in kennel. Let's jump into the rear living floor plans. First up is the 300 ml. This gorgeous travel trailer is a rear kitchen floor plan. The entire rear wall is all a beautifully appointed kitchen. A sink is centered within a wide counter, and above that are cabinets. A kitchen island houses the range and has its own large countertop. The kitchen continues in the off-camp side slide, using up over half the space with the fridge, pantry, and coffee bar. The rest of the slide holds a pop-up TV and fireplace. Opposing this slide is an equally large slide containing the booth dinette and theater seats. A bathroom sits between the living area and the bedroom. The bedroom is very spacious with a wide area around the walk-around queen bed.
Up next is a brand new floor plan, the 313RL. In the rear of the 313 sits an angled entertainment center with a pop-up TV and fireplace, facing theater seating that sits in a large slide-out also containing the booth dinette. The kitchen across from the dinette has a fat L-shaped counter. Unique is a full-length pantry with a barn door. The bedroom up front also has a barn door closure, plus has a king bed sitting in its own slide. The front cap is all wardrobe closet.
The next 2 rear living floor plans, the 328RL and 330RL, are traditional rear living models. Up front, they are identical. Both have a walk-around king bed and a slide, plus a huge wardrobe closet in the front cap. The bedroom has private pocket door access to the bathroom, and the bathroom has a spacious neo-angle shower. In the back is where they differ, although only slightly. Down the middle, they are identical, with kitchen counter space against an inner wall, a large kitchen island with a big sink, and a skylight over the island, plus a sofa sleeper on the rear wall. Both have opposing slides, but the 328RL has the campside slide with theater seats and a booth dinette, and its opposing slide filled with the range, dual fridges, a pop-up TV, and fireplace. The 330 puts the theater seats in the off-camp side slide next to the pantry, range, and single fridge. Campside, the slide has a booth dinette and a very large entertainment center with a 50-inch TV and fireplace. The 330RL also has an outside kitchen. The final rear living model is one of the largest Outbacks, the 341RD. RD in this instance stands for rear den. The back wall is all entertainment with a 55-inch TV and a fireplace. A pair of sofa sleepers sit across from one another, both of them being in slides. The campside slide is all sofa sleeper, whereas the opposing slide has the sofa sleeper, pantry, fridge, and range. Theater seats are added to face the TV. In the kitchen area, you'll find a large dinette with a bench and a corner kitchen with a lot of counter space, plus a wine rack. Up front, the bedroom and bathroom are identical to the 330RL, including the king bed.
Next, we have the family-focused bunkhouse model, the 340BH. The 340BH has a true bunk room as well, separated from the rest of the interior with a solid door. In the bunk room, you'll find a twin bunk above an entertainment center, across from a twin bunk and sofa sleeper combo that are in a slide.
The campside slide pulls out the booth dinette and sofa sleeper. Across the way, you'll find the major kitchen appliances and entertainment center with its pop-up 50-inch TV and fireplace. A nice-sized kitchen island sits comfortably in the middle. This whole area can be closed off by a barn slider door that can create a master suite up front if you desire. The bedroom has a walk-around queen bed and the bathroom has a large shower. Next up are a pair of Outback travel trailer toy haulers. Non-traditional, both sport a smaller area to bring your toys, but that small area is packed with functionality. First up is the 324CG with its more than 2,500 pounds of cargo carrying capacity. The 324 has its ramp door coming off the campside front. The garage space, 93 inches by 82 inches, has a pair of flip-up twin bunks for guests. A solid door and wall seal off the garage area from the rest of the 324 CG. The living area in this RV is quite nice. A large slide pulls out the booth dinette and sofa sleeper. An entertainment center with fireplace sits perpendicular against an inner wall. The kitchen is all campside and has a wide kidney-shaped countertop. A pantry is included and stands in the corner next to the dinette. The bedroom is in the rear of the RV and it houses a king bed that sits in a slide, helping to open up the bedroom. This bedroom also has its own private entrance from the outside. The final Outback floor plan is also a toy hauler. The 335 CG has a cargo carrying capacity of nearly 2,400 pounds. With its ramp coming off the back end, it's more of a traditional toy hauler. But the door is 56 inches wide, with the garage area being 65 inches by 100 inches. It's perfect for a set of bikes or a motorcycle. The rest of the back is filled with a flip sofa sleeper and a bunk bed above an entertainment center. A solid door closes off the garage area from the rest of the 335 CG. The living area has opposing slides that really open up the middle to accommodate a large kitchen island. Campside, the slide pulls out the major kitchen appliances. Opposing this slide is a super slide housing the booth dinette and sofa sleeper. A 40-inch TV with a fireplace is angled toward this slide. The bathroom is walk-through with a private door from the bedroom. The bedroom creates extra space with a wardrobe slide to enable you to easily walk around the queen bed. We've gone through the fantastic Keystone Outback floor plans. Now let's take a quick look at some fabulous features from the inside out. In the interior, you'll find comfort in upgraded furniture, residential-sized beds with deluxe inner spring mattresses, 15K BTU AC, and large panoramic windows. Your kitchen comforts include a deep single basin sink, high-rise faucet with pull-out sprayer, pre-drilled and screwed hand-glazed ash cabinets, and a large skylight over the kitchen island. You'll find entertainment easily with Outbacks being 4G LTE and Wi-Fi ready, satellite ready. You'll find plenty of USB charging ports and a multimedia center with a DVD player. On the Outback exterior, you'll be camp happy with power stabilizer jacks, rear max cargo rack for your bikes, more ride steps, backup camera prep, and more. A Keystone Outback is built to last with welded aluminum walls with R7 solid block foam insulation, painted fiberglass front cap with LED strip lights, one-piece TPO roof, 2-inch welded aluminum laminated floor, and a leaf spring equalizing suspension system for a smoother tow. No matter what you have planned for your outdoor adventures, there's a Keystone Outback for you and your family's camping needs.